Hi, my name is Shannon, and today I'm here to walk you through your PS10. So you're probably given this really awesome silver case, and we're going to open it up, we're going to check everything out, and I'm going to make this the easiest thing for you to use, because trust me, if I can do it, anybody can. So inside your case here, you're going to open this up, and you're going to have your PS10. Here is your machine right here. And then you're also going to have your white cord. You're going to need this because that will attach from here to your blanket. We also have our charging cord. And then your practitioner should have given you a green card. And this is the information they are putting on it to tell the PS10 what you need. So that's going to be very important. Now up here there is a little pocket. You want to open this up, and inside here is the famous blanket. Yes, you are going to fall in love with this just like I have. And then you will also probably have some literature in here, just some information. It's going to go over the exact same things I'm going over with you right now, but you also then have it in writing in case you might forget. Also, if you ever come up with any funny errors, and we'll also give you, let you know what those are for as well. So now we have everything out. We no longer need this case. So let's start learning about this PS10. This thing is absolutely amazing. So first things first, we got to get our blanket out. So in your blanket, you are going to see we have elastic straps. This is how you're going to be able to attach this to your bed. Now, as you lay this out, I know, trust me, I was the same way. I was like, I don't sleep on a twin size bed. It's okay, it's still going to work for you. I sleep on a king size bed and it is totally fine. So all you're going to do is you are going to take the top corner elastic strap, attach this to your bed, and then take the bottom strap and attach this to the bottom of your bed. Just that itself will help keep it in place. I'm a wormer, I move, I kick, everything like that. My blanket stays in place. I don't have any problems with it just being hooked twice. So you're gonna lay this out. It is such a nice little blanket. This is gonna be, trust me, your new best friend. Now, you're not gonna lay directly on this. You are gonna wanna have like a sheet, or you could even put a fitted sheet over this if you wanted to, but you just want it to be 100% natural fibers. Cotton's usually the easiest to come by, but anything that's 100% natural fibers is going to be perfect for you to be able to use here. Now, just to go over a few things, this right here is what you're going to need to have access to connect to your machine. Now, if for any reason this needs to be washed, maybe something got spilled on it, maybe there was an accident, or you're just cleaning your sheets and you want to clean this as well, you can absolutely do that. So all you're going to do is you're going to pop this off. It's just a little snap, super easy. Hold on to this, don't lose it because it's very important. And then you can hand wash this. You can use any kind of detergent that you like, and then you just let it air out and dry. Once it's dry and you're ready to remake your bed, just snap this right back on. Just like that, nice and easy, nice and firm, so you know it's not gonna fall off while you are sleeping. Now, Shannon, do you put this at the top of your bed or the bottom of your bed? Guess what? It doesn't matter. It's wherever you feel most comfortable with having it. You are going to need to make sure it has access, because you are going to be able to take this cord and attach it to here. So if you do this at the top of your bed, just keep in mind on what side it's on, so then you can put your machine like on your nightstand, or if you want to put it at your bottom of your bed, that's super easy, then you can just put this on the floor. So when we're talking about attaching, let me open this up so you guys can see. This is going to be so easy to do. There we go. So you're going to have a little black, it's literally just a little push button. You're going to push that in to be able to connect these two together. That's going to lock it then in place so it doesn't fall out in the middle of the night when you're sleeping. You are then going to also do the same thing to the machine as well. So if you look right on, if you have the machine facing you the way mine is facing me right now, it's going to be on the right hand side of the machine. You're going to have 3 holes right here. Doesn't matter which one you use. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, switch it up, doesn't matter. Pick whichever one's calling your name, and that's what you're going to insert this one into. Again, you're going to push that button down. It's going to then also lock that in place. So now your machine is now connected to your blanket. So we're almost there to start using this. So once you have this all hooked up, you have your blanket laid out, you got your fitted sheet or your flat all natural fiber sheet laid on top of it, guess what? You need to make sure you're actually ready to go to bed. So that means teeth brushed, showered, whatever your nightly routine is, you want to make sure that is all done before you get this machine turned on, because once this is on and running, you want to be laying down in your bed and start utilizing it. So we're all ready for bed, we're all set to go. Let's get this machine on and running. So what you're gonna do is on the back here. So some of the models have push buttons and some will have switches. It doesn't matter, all it is a little power button. You wanna make sure you turn that on. Once you do, it is going to come up with a blue light here on the front. It's also gonna have the word cord right here. So that means the machine is ready to go. You're also gonna see you have a little battery over here as well. So once you're all ready to go, your cord is locked in, your blanket is ready, you are ready to get into bed. You're gonna take your green card and you're gonna insert that into the little slot right here on the left-hand side. Push that right in, as you will see, it's gonna start counting up in percentage. Once it's at 100%, it will beep at you. It will also give you an error 40, and it'll tell you it is ready to start working for you. So it is almost there. There you go, now you're hearing it. So we're gonna pull this out, and guess what? We're now ready to go. Now lay down, relax. Now the best time to use the blanket is usually when you are sleeping, but you are welcome to put this on your couch, put it on your lazy boy, anything you want. You can absolutely do that. But when your body is sleeping and it's in that restful state, it's gonna be much easier and it's gonna be able to balance much better for you. Now, you don't want to do it 24/7. Every once in a while, give yourself a day off, or you know what, if you accidentally forget to do it, it's okay, don't stress about it. Just go ahead and jump on it the next day and you'll be perfectly fine. Sometimes giving that body just one day off is going to make it so it's going to balance much better the next day for you. So we're all done. Guess what? We got to figure out how to charge this thing. We got to make sure this thing keeps running for us. So when you're ready to charge, the best way to know is when it is down to 1/4 of a battery. Now sometimes you'll see an error 29 and that means you've let it die too much, because that means you need to plug it in right away. What we prefer for you to do is just let it get down to 1/4 of a battery. Once it's at 1/4 of a battery, that is the perfect time to then charge it. Don't want to do it at 1/2 a battery. We want to really make sure we get that battery low so it can fully charge, so we can keep these machines up and running as long as we possibly can for you. So once you are at that 1/4 of a battery and you're like, Shannon, it's time for me to charge. Well, let's walk through that for you. We're going to unhook this, and then we are going to turn the machine off because it will only charge in the off position. So that other cord that came into our silver case, you are going to plug that in. It's going to be located right below the power button here. So we just push that right in there. Then we're going to plug this in. Now you're going to look and there's going to be a light right here. When you first plug it in, it's going to be an orange flashing light. To know when your machine is fully charged, this will be a solid green light. That means you're ready to unplug it and start to use it. So what I usually do is when I wake up in the morning, I check my battery. If my battery is down to that 1/4 of a battery, then I go ahead and I charge it during the day while I'm out and about doing my stuff, so then it's ready for me to go that evening. So super easy, you guys. This is absolutely the most intimidating, simple thing that you are gonna come by. And if you have any questions, your practitioner will be absolutely happy to help you. And don't forget, there's also that guide in your silver case as well. So hopefully this video helped you out, makes the machine seem a little less intimidating for you, and you enjoy this blanket and fall in love with it as much as I have. You have a great one. Bye.